Hi guys! So I like to call this my Get Cute Quick look. Before I get started, I wanted to let you guys know that half of my products are Beautycounter and half of them are other. Switching to safer is a process. It wouldn't be financially feasible for me to throw out all of my products and buy all new products. When you make the switch to safer, the best products to start off with are those that stay on your skin the longest. Lotions, sunscreens, foundations, those are the first products that you want to think about when you're switching to safer.
To get ready for a busy day with a toddler, I always like to start off by pulling my hair out of my face. After I've washed my face, I like to put on my favorite Beautycounter moisturizer. Next, I like to even out my skin tone by using our Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer. It also protects my skin from the sun with our SPF 20 Mineral Sunscreen. Time to get rid of those dark circles! When concealing dark circles, it's best to put the concealer in a triangle shape. When you sweep your product directly on top of the dark spots, you're actually emphasizing the area, not concealing it. Applying it like I've shown here brightens up your entire face. Even if applying minimal makeup, I always make sure to define my eyebrows. Beautycounter's Brow Gel is one of my favorite products because it makes it so easy to achieve a natural, beautiful brow. Using small brush strokes, swipe up and out like shown here. Next, I like to add a little glow and highlight to my cheeks by applying a shimmery blush using a blush brush. On to the finishing touches. When applying my mascara for this look, I only put it on my top lashes. This creates natural definition that will help my eyes appear larger. I like to finish by blending it all in with a kabuki brush. Last, I apply a shimmery shine to my lips with our Beautycounter lip gloss. It goes on smooth and saturates my lips with a sheer moisturizing color.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial on how to get cute quick. Stay tuned for more like this in the future, and be sure and check out my website at beautycounter.com/Tiffany Hall to view all of the products available for you here. Thanks for watching.